fenders at the body shop getting redone now.
Well, we got snow now, so we're gonna go rally the Toyota, which you can just treat it like a Jeep. That's what all the Jeep guys do, right? All the essentials, I don't know, they're probably still there. Hook up the old battery. If you do it the wrong way, that's extra points. This is the anti-arc out device. And you just turn this down here somewhere. That's for the hood. This one's the other battery one, which now that the fender's gone, as we previously removed it with a tree or two, I think. Yeah, it's good.
Oil's good?
Oil's good.
Did you check it?
Yeah.
Is there water in it to keep it cool?
Water. Now, we're probably going to be hitting about 130. We don't want this thing getting away from us.
Strap it down.
Yep. Oh, it needs a little massaging.
Oh, yeah.
Go. Where'd the hood bungee go? Oh, it's right here.
It's a nice truck.
I left it. Couple speed wraps. Like so.
It's a nice truck.
You just become the wiper blade. Oh, froze. Oh, that's why I put a dent in the cab right there, so you can grab the door.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That's what trees are for. Custom bumper.
Got the key.
The headlights aren't on yet.
Oh, we have power. That's good. Throttle's stuck. Throttle's free now.
Give her the onions. Come on, old girl.
I'll get there one of these days.
You got any gas in it?
I don't know.
It ain't got no gas in it. Look at that hood. Blah, 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 blah. I'll make sure there's no mice in there trying to start a fire. Smells fuely. Good fuel.
Good fuel.
Good for a few years.
That in the snow, it's good for it. Now.
Is it in the back seat of this blue truck? Ether?
Ether?
Check the Ethernet connection.
Nope.
Oh, wrong truck.
Let's see. What are the supplies looking like? Take two with some giggle juice here.
I give you the old P. Diddy persuasive.
Yep.
I'll give her that right there. That should do it. That's good.
Yeah, give her some more. ice cream intermission. How is it?
Good. It tastes better in the winter.
Yeah?
Yeah, real good vanilla.
Doesn't melt, right? No.
Get us ready for the ripping.
What are we doing?
Now we're gonna put a little bit of fuel in this bad girl. V8's pretty thirsty. We can go do some donuts, see how the 4-wheel drive works.
Yeah.
So much torque, the chassis twisted coming off the line.
Kyle, what did you think of the testing?
It's good.
It's-
Yeah. It's a good truck. Pretty solid. Seems to like the throttle all the way pegged down. Rip, rip, rip. Good. Leaf springs are a little bent, but I'm pretty sure it came like that from the factory.
What's the resale value?
Oh, on this it's a Toyota, so I guess when they were brand new, they were fucking Sasquatch back there. Brand new, back in '82. I think they're about 11.5. So being a Toyota, it's probably up to 13.5 now. Plus the bumper and the bungee. They weren't rated for 130 back then, so overall, yeah, I'd probably get 28 bucks for it, whatever scrap's worth. Yeah.
Were you glad you weren't in it on the landing?
Yeah, I couldn't have been. My back would have been more broke than it already is, so not have a bent upper contrapolorin. And
Yeah, what occurred with this thing while we were testing on it?
one of the wipers flipped, and then I think I don't know, that was from a Fox or something a few years back, scraped it. Besides that, paint's fine. Fender's at the body shop getting redone now. The spring, they're sold as a resprung spring, but this one got sprung too much. What happened was this here bump stop took her all the way up, almost into the cab area there. And rear leaf spring there, it's got a little twist. I'm pretty sure you just got to hit it really hard on the opposite side and it'll twist her back. You just got to check the PSI, otherwise it's good for another rip. Nice try.